Google is facing some regulatory challenges, and it is playing out on the stock. The stock itself is down around roughly 6% in this session of today, the 21st of November, 2024. But we have seen what looks like a bottom on this 5 minute chart, and it's probably attempting to trade towards this upper projection of $168.03. And we have on the, let's look at the 15-minute chart. There might be something there on the 15-minute chart that decline. The decline has been in place for, this is the straight, if not the third trading session. But just like in the just like in the 5 minute chart, we are looking at some rebound. Some rebound has already played out. There's an upper projection here of $167.46. Okay, there isn't any. Okay, well, there is indeed an upper projection here, a very seriously ambitious upper projection of 174.41. 174.41. Let's have a look at its 45-minute chart and see. Yeah, so that pivot still is equally has printed. It is evident here. We have an upper projection, an ambitious one, 174.29. 174.29. Okay, let's have a look at its 1 hour charts. We might see something different as well. On the 1 hour chart, we have yes, an upper projection. We have 170.64, 170.64, and there isn't any other thing. There were previous upper projections, they have been negated. These are really ambitious, all beyond or close to 130, $183. That was, as a matter of fact, they were actually in play today. They were actually in play today, but no longer the case. No longer the case. So let's move on to the 2 hour chart and see. On the 2 hour chart for Google, what we have no no upper projection that is currently in play. None. We had one earlier on today as well. One earlier we had 181.74. Okay, let's have a look there. I think there are also downward projections. There's a downward projection on this 2 hour chart for Google. We have 165.88 on all the way down to 163.50. Let's jump all the way down to the 4 hour chart and see. On the 4 hour chart, we have extrapolation of its 10 and 21 day moving averages is for a downward retracement. But regardless, there's an upper projection of 169.80. Weakness is expected to play out on Google stock. Yeah, weakness is expected to come into play here. I think I've mentioned these downward projections, yes. So we now have to go and have a look at its 1 day chart, daily chart, and see. On this daily chart, what we have. Okay, there are no projections visible here. There are no projections. Extrapolation is for weakness on the stock. Extrapolation is there is an extrapolation for weakness in its 10 and 21 day moving averages. Yeah, okay, there is indeed actually an upper projection. Sorry about that. We have 175.64. What are the odds that will happen? But I know market participants will be watching, given that it has continued to retrace over the course of 2 or 3 trading sessions. Now we got this rejection at 179.54. This was yes on Tuesday the 19th. 174.54. Before that, there was even a peak of 183.32. This was on Tuesday, the 12th of November. Then there was it was the 10 period moving average was serving as a primary supply lines, primary demand line, and I think some negative news may have come out then, and we saw this retracement that saw it break down to the lows of where it is right now, 167.53. So, but fundamentally, it's looking Google has no problem, but it is indeed facing regulatory challenges, and this is what is likely behind this weakness we are looking at right now in the as concerns the stock. Okay, right now on its 4-hour chart, just pretty much what you watched earlier on. Pretty much the same thing here. So pretty much this is a daily chart, so this is the 4-hour chart. It is trading well outside its price channel and intraday low of 165.31. So expect the stock to rebound. Expect it to come back into its price channel. So at least prices above 172.96, 172.96. Do we have anything here? Yeah, we have it. We have 173.80, 173.75. So there's a good chance we're going to get a rebound. Is it going to be tomorrow or next? Who knows? But just going by what we have here and what naturally happens, you should expect a rebound to occur. And we're seeing a confluence. We're seeing a validation. We're seeing a validation. We have this upper projection of 173.75, which also correlates with the lower line of its price channel of its price channel here. So surely a rebound should occur. It should occur. So see what you make of Google stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.